Hello, we're from Muhammadiyah University of Cirebon, Faculty of Health Sciences, Nutrition Study Program, Class GZ to 5A. We both have an English dialogue assignment. The lecturer is Mr. Otan Hidayat, NPD. This story begins when Kiki accidentally meets Ria in class.
Hey, you're Ria, right? The one who was sitting next to me when I was picking up my alma mater.
That's right, you're Kiki, the one who asks about my alma mater size, right?
Yeah, exactly. I immediately felt familiar with your face, but I only remember it when I entered the classroom earlier.
Same here, I was thinking, I think I've met her before, but I couldn't remember where at first.
What a coincidence that we ended up in the same class.
I know, right? It's funny how small the world can be sometimes.
By the way, how are you feeling about college so far? It's only the first few days, but honestly, I'm still nervous.
Me too, I'm excited, but at the same time, I'm worried about assignments, presentations, and meeting new people.
Especially because nutrition sounds challenging. There are going to be many things to learn like biology, chemistry, food science, and health.
That's true. I think it will also be interesting because it's closely related to daily life. Everyone needs food and nutrition after all.
That's true. Oh, can I ask you something?
Of course,
I'm curious. Why did you choose nutrition as your major?
actually, my reason is pretty simple. First, because I love food so much and I care a lot about the nutrition of the food that I'm gonna eat. And there's also one quote that really convinced me to choose this major. The quote is, "You are what you eat."
That's such a great reason, Ria. I like the way you explain it.
Thank you. How about you, Kiki? Why did you choose nutrition?
My reason is a little different. Since I was younger, I've wanted to work in a hospital as a nutritionist. I want to understand a person's nutritional need and help them improve their health through proper nutrition.
Wow, that's really cool.
Honestly, since I was in high school, I often watch videos about healthy lifestyle, balanced diet, and nutrition tips on social media. From there, I become more interested in learning deeply about nutrition.
So, you've liked this field for a long time?
Yeah, kind of. I think nutritionists play an important role in helping patients recover. Sometimes people underestimate the importance of food in the healing process, even though proper nutrition can really help someone get better faster.
That's true. Nutrition is not only about eating healthy but also about maintaining overall health.
Exactly. Besides that, I always dream about having my own healthy food business someday.
Seriously? That sounds amazing. What kind of business do you want to build?
Maybe some things like a healthy cafe or catering service with balanced meal. I want to make healthy food is still delicious and affordable for many people.
Honestly, that's a really good idea. Nowadays, many people want to eat healthy, but sometimes healthy food is expensive and doesn't taste good.
Yes, that's exactly what I'm thinking. I want people to realize that healthy food can still be tasty and enjoyable.
I totally agree with you.
So, what about your future plan, Ria? Do you already know what you want to do after graduate?
To be honest, I'm still not completely sure yet. I'm still trying to discover which field I enjoy the most, but I think I probably won't work in a hospital.
Really? Then where do you think you will work?
Maybe in a food industry. I think becoming a nutritionist in the industry sounds interesting too.
Or like working in a food company?
Yeah, maybe developing healthier food products, checking nutritional quality, or even creating new food innovations.
That sounds really interesting too.
I think the nutrition field is actually very broad. We can work in hospitals, schools, industries, public health institutions, or even become entrepreneurs.
You're right. There are so many opportunities in this major.
That's why, even though I'm still unsure about my exact future job, I'm excited to learn many things here first. Maybe along the journey, I'll discover what I truly want to do.
That's a good mindset. We still have a lot of time to grow and learn.
Exactly, and honestly, meeting new friends like this also makes me feel more motivated.
Wow, same here. At first, I was worried that I wouldn't have friends in college.
Me too, but now I feel more comfortable.
I'm really happy we meet again here. It feels like fate somehow.
Hahaha, maybe it is.
By the way, do you think college life will be difficult?
Probably yes, especially because there will be many assignments and practical classes, but I think if we study together and support each other, we can get through it.
That's true. Maybe one day we can work an assessment together.
Sure, I love that.
I really hope one day we can achieve all our dreams.
Yeah, I hope so too. No matter which path we choose later, I hope we can become successful and make our family proud.
Amen. And most importantly, I hope we can help many people through our colleague about nutrition.
That's such a beautiful goal.
This has been such an interesting conversation. I'm really glad to talk today.
Same here. It's really nice talking to you, Kiki.
Nice talking to you, Turia. Hopefully, this is the beginning of a great friendship.
Of course, see you in class tomorrow.
See you.